Hey Miss Green. How is it going? Fine. What is that in your hand? It's an article. Article about what? I am not sure. I have been trying to understand what it is about but no luck so far. Let me see. Sure. Oh, it talks about something called antelope. What is an antelope? It's some kind of animal, I think. How did you guess it? Look. In the second paragraph, there is a sentence about its food habit. It eats food, so it will be an animal. Right. Wait, look at the sixth sentence. They have babies. A baby antelope is called calf. And lions and other predators hunt them. Yeah, the baby cow is called a calf, but it is not about a cow. Let's find out where it lives. But why is this paragraph written? If there was a picture of it or a headline of this paragraph, we could easily understand. But now, to find out this we have to read it carefully. We can ask our elder brothers about it tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow then. So long. So long.